As you may be able to tell, I need a haircut.
Hello?
Hey Katie, this is Ben.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I need a haircut. Okay, 12:30?
Yep.
Alright, see ya. You know, let's continue this conversation tomorrow when I have shorter hair. So I have two things to show you from the past week. I'm going to commentate these two things. First, this is my friend Harley. He does a cool trick.
Boom!
Yeah, my mind was blown too. Second, earlier this week, Zach and I went to test out this potato cannon. Now, if you listen close here, we say something really smart.
If this thing explodes, that'd be great footage.
True YouTubers. Now, we are highly trained idiots, so don't try this at home.
It worked! That worked!
And I laugh at myself. Of course. Let's see that in slow-mo.
Dude, I think I'm deaf.
And that's why you shouldn't try this at home. I now cannot hear.